You're not a real snack lover if you can't name these. Let's see how many you get right. We'll start easy. First one. Popcorn. Second one. Chips. Third one. Pretzels. Smash that like button if you've eaten all three of these at least once. Don't lie, we know you have. Medium level. Gummy bears. Next up. Doritos. How about this one? Chocolate bar. Bonus question. Did you know the world record for the largest bag of chips weighed over 2,500 pounds? What's your favorite snack to munch on? Tell us in the comments. Hard level. Nutella and Go. What is this one? Macarons. Subscribe if you're as addicted to snacks as we are. Last one. Pocky stick.